Hello students. In previous video we have started worksheet number 2 of unit 5 and we have done 4 questions of this worksheet, and in these questions we have learned how to write the number names of decimal numbers. As you can see here, first of all we have to write the whole number part, that is 15, and we separate the decimal part by and 15 and then we read this decimal part together 72, and then the highest place जो last digit है उसका place हमें लिखना होता है, that is 2 is at hundredths place. So 15 and 72 hundredths. So this we have done in our previous video, and then we have also done this question number 3, in which we have write in decimal forms. The question is given in word form and we have to write in decimal form. And then the question number 4, here we have to separate the whole number part and the decimal number part. So the part which is before decimal, that is called whole number part, or that is after decimal is called decimal number part. Now today we will start with question number 5, and in this question we have to write the decimals in words. So don't get confused that here the question is write the decimals in words, and in question number 2 we are the question is write the number names. So let us see how to write the decimals in words. So question number 5, write the decimals in words. So first one is done for you. I am doing the B part to explain it. 7. So how can you read this number? I have told you, जब हम नंबर को रीड करते हैं उसको रीड करने का एक अलग प्रोसीजर है. सो हाउ कैन वी रीड दिस नंबर? हम जो होल नंबर पार्ट होता है उसको इकट्ठा रीड करते हैं, एंड जो डेसिमल पार्ट होता है उसके सारे डिजिट्स को सेपरेटली रीड करते हैं. सो इट इज 7.8. सो वी रीड लाइक दिस 7.8. बट अगर मैं इसका नंबर नेम लिखता, सो इसको मैं लिखता 7 and 8 tenths. So but here we have to write the decimals in words. So we will write like 7. जैसा हम रीड करेंगे वैसे ही हम लिखेंगे. हमने वर्ड्स में लिखना है इसको 7.8. So it is quite easy. Let us take one more example. C part. How can we read this number? So we will read it as 39.3. So we will write it as it is 39.3. Now D part, 65.92. So how can you read this number? It is जो डेसिमल पार्ट से पहले है उसको हम एक साथ रीड करेंगे. दिस इज 65. सो इट इज 65. सो दिस इज पॉइंट. नाउ व्हेन वी राइट पॉइंट, तो इसके बाद के जो डिजिट्स हैं उनको हम सेपरेटली रीड करते हैं डिजिट्स को. सो इट इज 9.92. let us take E part, 352.184. so जैसे हम इसको रीड करेंगे वैसे ही लिखना है. so how can we read this? होल नंबर पार्ट को हम एक साथ रीड करेंगे. दिस इज 352 पॉइंट और डेसिमल पार्ट्स के सारे डिजिट्स को सेपरेटली 184. सो 300 352 पॉइंट. अब इसको हम सेपरेटली रीड करेंगे. सो इट इज 184. इन दिस केस यू कैन नोट दैट यहाँ पर आपको जो लास्ट डिजिट है उसका प्लेस नहीं लिखना होता, पर जब हम नंबर नेम लिखते थे तो हम उसमें जो लास्ट डिजिट होता है उसका प्लेस लिखते थे. सो दैट इज़ द डिफरेंस. और यहाँ पर हम एंड लिखते थे सेपरेट करने के लिए, यहाँ पर हम पॉइंट लिखते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द बेसिक डिफरेंस. यू कैन सी हियर दिस इज द these are the difference between these two questions. Here write the number names. So नंबर नेम कैसे लिखना है आपको. अगर आपको बोला जाता है कि डेसिमल राइट द डेसिमल इन वर्ड्स, तो जैसे आप रीड कर रहे हैं वैसे ही आपने लिखना है. सो इन दिस वे you can write the number decimals in words. Now the question number now try to solve the remaining parts of this question. I will do F part for you also. 647.0. So how can you write this number? So write the whole number part together. This is 647. Now point. Now read these decimal digits separately. That is 0, 0, 3. So in this way you can write the decimals in words. Now the next question is question number 6. Show each of the following decimals on a place value chart. So show each of the following in decimals on a place value chart. So first of all you have to make a place value chart in your notebook. You know, now you can see here जो आपका क्वेश्चन है, इस क्वेश्चन में आपके जो होल नंबर पार्ट है वो मैक्सिमम आपका 3 डिजिट्स के हैं. यू कैन सी हियर. सो इट इज वंस प्लेस, 100 प्लेस, 1000 प्लेस. सो वंस, टेंस एंड 100 प्लेस. सो ओनली 3 प्लेसेस आर देयर, वंस, टेंस एंड 100 प्लेस. एंड डेसिमल जो डिजिट्स हैं वो मैक्सिमम आपके 4 डिजिट्स के हैं. सो आपको उस हिसाब से प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट प्रिपेयर करेंगे हम. सो वी विल मैक्सिमम हमारे 103 डिजिट्स तक हैं. सो यहाँ पर हम प्लेसेस लिखते हैं. 100 प्लेस, टेंस, वंस, देन डेसिमल, then tenths, then hundreds, then thousands, and then 10,000s. So then thousands. So now write the values. 100 place, 100, 10, 1, this is point, this is tens, that is 1 upon 10, this is 1 upon 100, this is 1 upon 1000, and this is 1 upon 10,000. Now we will write the numbers in place value chart. So how can we write these numbers in place value chart? First of all, we have to write the number. So what is the number? So actually I don't have space. I will write the number here. It is 8.4. First one is 8.4. So how can we write this in table? Place value chart. So write decimal under decimal, and this 8 is at which place? Ones place. So we'll write 8 here, and 4 is at tens place. So we'll write 4 under tens place. So in this way you can write. I will take one more example. Suppose and B part is 19.34. So point decimal, then 19, 9 is at ones place, 1 is at tens place, 3 is at tens place, and 4 is at hundreds place. So we will write like this. And then C part is 0.9921. So how can we write 9921? So point under point is 0 is at ones place, then 9 tens place, 9 hundreds place, 2 under thousands, and 1 under 10,000s place. So in this way you can easily write the decimal number in place value chart. So try to do it yourself. This is very easy. And now the question number 7, that is write as decimals. So this question is also very easy. Question number 7. So write as decimals. Write as decimals. So A part 15 and 3 upon 10. So how can we write this as decimals? So this is a whole number part 15, and 3 upon 10 is a decimal part. So we'll write 3. So that means 3 is at tens place. So we will write it like this, 15.3. Now B part 7 and 8 upon 100. So here 7 is a whole number part, so we'll write it as and 8 upon 100 is a decimal part. 8 is at hundreds place. You can see here in the place value chart also. Upon 1 upon 100 is at hundreds place, is a hundreds place. So point. So how can we write 8 at hundreds place? So if we will write like 7.8, so then 8 will be at tens place. So but we have to write it at hundreds place. So how can we write? We'll write 0, 8. Now 8 is at hundreds place. Now C part 101 and 12 upon 100. So how can we write? This is a whole number part, 101.12 upon 100. So here 12 is already 2, it is at hundreds place, so 1200. So now D part 9 153 upon 1000. So now whole number part is 9, and how can we write? Now 153, so highest place 3, and it is at thousands place. So we can write it directly 153 because ये हमारा thousands place पे है हमारा 3. So it is very easy. I will do G part for you now. So G part 76 and 2 upon 1000. So here 76 is a whole number part. Point. Now 2 is at which place? Thousands place. So how can we write 2 at thousands place? By writing 0 0 2. Now you can see here this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. Now 2 is at thousands place. So in this way you can write as decimals. So thank you.